Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now as you guys may have noticed, I'm doing a completely different look today. Now I've been trying to avoid makeup vlogs lately, like I'm trying to avoid doing makeup tutorials, makeup reviews and shit like that. But it's raining outside and I'm feeling very creative. So today's an exception. I'm doing a colorful, well not really colorful, but like a colored trad goth makeup look. Now what do I mean by colored trad goth makeup look? Usually when I do my eye makeup, I use a lot of black, browns, reds, and for the base, sometimes beige or white and shit like that. So I'm going to do what I don't usually do, which is applying a different color. Because you see, I have like a lot of palettes, but here, look at that. You can see the bottom of that plate right there, but the rest is all complete. Although I use this one also, not too frequent. This one I use, also this one sometimes, this one as well, as you can see. I also have this palette right here, and as you can see, the most used ones here and here. I also do use this one sometimes, but the colors mostly untouched. Also this one, mostly untouched. I've used this probably like twice when I was in Vietnam, but since then I've never touched it before because I don't know what look I'm gonna make with this one. Like I'm always used to using browns, whether it's light brown or dark brown, black, and then beige as a base color. So yeah, I actually stopped being creative with makeup, but today is the day that I will finally awaken my creativity towards makeup. Well, to be honest, it's not really that creative, but I really did my best with this one. So yeah, I'm going to use colors instead of the usual colors that I used in the past. Also, the only black I'm going to use for this look is probably the eyeliner and the mascara, but everything else a different color, colors that I've never used before. Okay, and also this blush, like it's very strong, but for some reason it goes well with the look because it's very 80s trad gothic. So if you guys want to see me do this look, then with the magic of video editing and time travel, I give you this tutorial. Okay, so as you may have noticed, I'm already done with the face. Now let's get started with the eyes. For the base color, I think I'm going to use this violet right here. I'm not sure if that's violet. It looks different on camera, but trust me, it's violet-ish. For the under eye, I'm going to use this one right here. It's a brighter violet or purple. Brighter purple, yeah. For the crease, I am actually going to use this darker violet right here. Now I also wanted to add another color under my eyes, so I think I am going to try adding this yellow. Now believe it or not, I hate yellow so much. It's such a tacky color, but for this video I'm just gonna take a risk. For some reason it's not really that pigmented, so I think I'm going to just add an orange, probably this one right here, because I've already used this one and also this one, so I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, well it's not working. I can't see the color at all. So you know what? I'm going to try another one from this palette. Probably this one right here. It's a brighter purple. And I hope it works. Okay. Now we're talking. But it's somehow there. This is the reason why I don't usually use like colorful palettes from drugstore brand, because they have a tendency not to be pigmented. Somehow it's there, but it's not what I was hoping for. But anyways, let's proceed. Now this is what I'm excited about, because I've never done this before. I'm going to cut crease. I'm going to use a concealer for my lids, just to give like a precise cut between the crease and the lid. It can be scary and messy at first, but you just gotta apply like a little bit of concealer and you can just blend it with a brush. It will work, don't worry. Okay, so I somehow managed to cut my crease quite successfully. I'm going to apply like a brighter blue on my eyelids. This one right here, it's glittery blue. Now I'm just going to add like an outline here, just to give it a more precise cut. Of course, this one, the one that I used earlier for my crease. I think my ring light is running out of batteries, so I need to charge it. But anyways, it's daytime, so I don't think I need it. But I hope you guys see the result of this makeup look. Anyways, I'm feeling like adding like a dark navy blue, because you may have noticed, guys, I'm trying to avoid like black, because it's very standard that when you're goth you wear black makeup. But we're just gonna go outside the norms, just a bit different. Like, we just want to be all experimental and thinking outside of the box. Like, who knows, we could create something magical here. I'll just be extending it here to give it a wing. Alright, like a very not so clear type of wing, and we're going to trace that later on. I've added so many colors under my eyes, but the only thing you can see here is the navy blue color. So you know what, I'm just gonna add something from this palette because it's more pigmented than the other one. This one is from The Balm actually, and it's like one of my favorite palettes because it has like a quirky theme to it, like it's a rock concert theme, and all of the shade names are bands and artists. Like, you see it's Blink 182, but instead of Blink 182 that's Blink 1982. See that? So yeah, I love this palette. Anyways, I'm just going to add something from here. Probably this one, Alice Copper. I actually love this shade. Just gonna extend it right up there. Because sometimes, like when I do makeup, I wanna look dead or sick, and this is helping me achieve that look. Like, I know we're trying to achieve like a trad gothic makeup, but with colors. But at the same time, yeah, I wanna look dead because I'm like dead on the inside. It does look messy, but I promise it'll look good at the end. You just have to blend it like really nicely. Alright, now like what I've said earlier in this video, the only black I'm going to use are these ones, mascara and an eyeliner. So first, let's do the eyeliner. I'm actually applying this navy blue right here. I'm not cheating, okay? It's not black, it's navy blue. Now I want to add a little bit of sparkly at the corner of my eyes. I'm going to use Third Eye Blinded. Very cute name. I also like the band. The actual band, I love them. They remind me so much of my childhood because I'm a 90s kid. Yeah. Finishing touches. I'm just going to retouch the cut crease because I don't know what happened. It's just a little bit faded and I want it to look a little bit sharp. Faded on the sides but sharp at the same time. If you guys know what I mean. More of this navy blue for the wings. Like, don't be scared if it's a bit messy. You can always just blend, you know. That's what I do. I mean, it looks quite messy because of blending. It's achieving the look that I wanted to achieve. So there you go. Now, I'm just gonna do some mascara and eyelashes and I'll be right back. Alright. Now, I was actually trying to apply like false eyelashes under my eyes, but it's quite difficult because I also have like natural under eyelashes, so it's quite difficult to put like false eyelashes under the eyes. So yeah, that was cancelled, but I managed to put these ones on. Now what I wanted to do now to finish up this look is to use this eyeshadow from Fresh and use it as a blush. Yeah, because during the 80s they were like using like really loud colors as blushes, like, you know, see David Bowie. Here's the finished look, complete with bangs and shit. And of course, you guys know the drill. If you guys do like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel if you guys want more of me. Follow me on my Instagram and my other Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.